That said, the thing that the tablet can really do, and that I only started to exploit a little bit, but I want to do more of, is you can use a stylus to mark up your PowerPoints in the middle of the lecture. You can't save your you can't save to PDF your lecture with those markups. They're ephemeral, but it allows you to take a PowerPoint, which I think allows you to pack in a lot of material very efficiently and make it more interactive, because you can cross it out, you can add stuff to reflect student input, and you can also program in blank black slides that you can then say, okay, now tell me what you got, and then you can record it up like you would at a chalkboard in the process of your lecture that uses the big projection screens. So there's lots of fun things you can do with it, beyond the fact that it allows you to be mobile in those classrooms where you really need to move to those far corners with those tables that are in areas that it's going to be easy for those students to disconnect and start doing social media on their phone underneath the table.